how to install APK file on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an APK file onto your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. The first thing we need to do is actually have the APK file downloaded on our phone. And it's important to note you need to be careful when downloading APK files because they can be malicious. So make sure they're from a good source. Once the APK file has been downloaded, we can open it up by swiping up and opening the Files app on our Android phone, finding the APK file, and then just selecting it. Now, once you select it, you're going to see permission required. And this is because our Android phone is going to prevent us from installing APKs by default. So we need to turn off that setting. And in this little menu right here, select settings, and then you'll see allow from this source. So allow that. And once you allow it, it'll bring up install this app so then we can install it. So as you can see, it now says that it was installed, and that was the Epic Games launcher there. So now I can simply open up my apps and I can see that the Epic Games installer has been installed. This was an APK, and now I can start using it. So really it's just changing that one setting over so that you can install the APK. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.